Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV tankless water heaters on Amazon. Water heaters can instantly heat water with a heat exchanger and don't require a storage tank. The best RV tankless water heaters provide 2 to 5 gallons of hot water per minute. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Tankless Tankless Propane Water Heater. Tankless's propane water heater is a small, compact, and lightweight option that will provide you with continuous hot water at a rate of 1.58 gallons per minute. This heater works best with a Tankless 12-volt water pump, but is also compatible with other modified versions of the 12-volt water pump. The Tankless heater is designed with a variety of safety features, including protection from overheating, freezing, flame failure, low water flow, high water pressure, and dry combustion. In case it detects any of the foregoing complications, an auto shut-off switch will instantly turn off the heater. It's recommended that you use it in a ventilated space if it's hooked up to a propane tank. Unfortunately, the Tankless heater is not recommended for boiling drinking water. It only peaks at 114.8 degrees Fahrenheit, which is only enough to warm shower water and not for boiling safe drinking water. Number 2. Furian Tankless Water Heater. The Furian Tankless Water Heater is a gas-powered unit that was built for the modern outdoorsman who likes to travel off-grid. You can count on the unit to provide years of reliable service thanks to Furian's innovative vibration smart technology, which gives the machine a solid structure so it can withstand intense vibrations when you are driving on uneven terrain. The unit provides up to 2.4 gallons of hot water per minute and can be depended on to work effectively even when the temperatures dip to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. To reduce the risk of getting scalding hot water or cold water when using multiple water outlets at the same time, the unit creates a vortex pattern inside the water mixing chamber that mixes the water to a comfortable temperature. Best of all, it comes with a plethora of safety features, including a pressure relief valve and a dual sensor that automatically powers off the unit when the water temperature is too high. However, all the advanced technology and features that go into making this unit reliable and safe for use don't come at a low price. Number 3. Runnable Tankless Water Heater. This water heater provides hot water instantly, without any waiting time. Constant temperature. It maintains a constant water temperature, ensuring you always have the perfect shower or bath. It is powered by propane gas, which is a clean-burning and energy-efficient fuel. Also, it has a flow rate of 3.17 gallons per minute, making it suitable for small to medium-sized households. Designed for indoor installation, making it perfect for apartments, condos, and small homes. It saves energy by heating water only when you need it, reducing your energy bills and carbon footprint. Number 4. Thermomate Electric Tankless Water Heater. The Tankless Water Heater Electric Thermomate 3.5 kilowatts 120V hardwired point-of-use on-demand hot water heater self-modulating ET035, no plug, is a reliable and energy-efficient unit that provides on-demand hot water for your home. This water heater provides hot water on demand, eliminating the need for a storage tank. And it is a cost-effective solution for providing hot water on demand, as it eliminates the need for a storage tank. Easy to install and can be done without professional help, saving installation costs. But it has a limited hot water output of 0.59 GPM, making it suitable only for small to medium-sized households with low hot water demand. Number 5. Repro Tankless Water Heater. Available in white and black, the Repro Tankless Water Heater is a sturdy and durable unit that provides hot water to your shower and faucets on demand. It comes with a remote, which you can use to adjust the temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit before activating the heater. The unit only starts up when water flows through it, and it heats the water to a maximum temperature of 124 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit is safe and reliable thanks to the built-in smart control function that ignites the gas that heats the water and also regulates the water temperature to a comfortable level. Also, it's designed with a forced exhaust structure that keeps the air clean as it enters or leaves the combustion chamber. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.